Hi, welcome back to Shotoku Tech. Previously, we got started with the M5 NanoH2 in Arduino IDE, and we flashed the RGB LED on the Nano H2. Yeah, it's really bright. We're following this article. Look for the link down below. It's docs.m5stack.com, and we went through the Arduino IDE tutorial and uploaded the example sketch to flash the RGB LED. You get down to the bottom here, and there's links to Thread and Zigbee examples. So we're going to make that Nano H2 on the right a coordinator, and we're going to make the one on the left an end device. And we're going to follow along that article that I linked to. Look for the link down below. So first we're going to configure the coordinator. Hold down the button when you plug it in so that you can flash it. And then I went to Device Manager and checked to make sure what serial port it was on. It's on COM9. Doesn't detect automatically, so I had to go in and set it. Find COM9 and check that and click OK. All right, so looks like we got to check out these details here and make sure we're configuring this board correctly in Arduino IDE. USB CDC on boot is enabled. Okay, erase all flash before sketch upload must be enabled. Yeah, I don't like it because then it clicks back up and then you have to click back down again. That gets a little tiresome. Let's see what's next. We got to set right here the partition scheme. Yeah, it's default 4 megabyte with spiffs. No, it's got to be Zigbee ZCZR 4 megabyte with spiffs. There we go. That's correct. Yeah, the Zigbee ZCZR 4 meg with spiffs. Now we have to set the coordinator mode. So tools, Zigbee mode, Zigbee ZCZR coordinator router. Down here, yeah, I want you to see this in complete detail because there's a lot. Don't want to miss out on any of that. Yeah, the original sketch with the RGB port, we didn't have to worry about any of that. So let's just put these side by side, double check just for sure. Yeah, we're on serial port COM9. USB CDC on boot enabled. Oh, they have their core debug level set to verbose. Okay. Yeah, so we can scroll down a little bit more. Erase all flash before sketch upload is enabled. Zigbee ZCZR 4 megabyte with spiffs. And Zigbee mode is Zigbee ZCZR coordinator router. So we're all set now. Yeah, there that is. You want to make sure that's set correctly. It's got to be in the right mode. You're telling that device what it is at this point. So now we're ready to go over here. I'd like to go in line by line and tell you what this program does. Not going to do it. I'm excited to check this out, make this work, and see what there is to see here. That's the fun of the game here today. So we copied it. We're going to paste it into the Arduino IDE here, and let's go ahead and compile it. And of course, I don't need to put you through the torture of watching it flash. Here I am. I'm just resetting it because I wanted to catch it in the serial monitor from the beginning. There we go, and this is what you see in the serial monitor. So it's working. It's just waiting for the end device. So here I've held the button and hooked up the end device. And then the only thing you have to change, all those other settings are valid. The only thing you have to change is the Zigbee mode. So Zigbee mode would be Zigbee ED or end device. And so we're all set. We can put these side by side to double check them. So here I've already flashed it. I'm just resetting it so we can start from the beginning in serial monitor. There we go. This doesn't look that good. I don't know. I'm not going to troubleshoot. It says commissioning failed. Try again. Maybe it would kick in, but you know, I'm going to just go ahead and reboot the coordinator. Let's check that out. Yeah, so it's just not working. Yeah, it's just not working. So I'm going to reboot the coordinator and let's see what happens. There you go. That looks good. Okay, so we can see temperature reported to coordinator, and I'm not seeing that failure message. So we're going to close the serial monitor on the end device and go to COM9 and open the coordinator to see that we're receiving the message on the coordinator. So serial monitor on COM9. We're getting the temperature. Yeah, they're right next to each other, but they could be in different rooms of the house. I'm excited to hook these up to Home Assistant. I've played around with Home Assistant before. Look for the link to product page down below. It's out of stock right now, but get in there and get notified when it comes in. Look for the link to the article. Leave a comment down below. Give this video a like, and before you go watch more of my M5Stack videos, please click on subscribe. Thank you very much.